We can use where clause to limit the result to what we want. For example, select first name, last name, salary, commission percentage from employees where salary equals to 2500. Will bring us rows where the salary is equal to 2500. This is a numerical comparison. Select first name, last name, salary, commission percentage from employees where first name equals to James within quotes will bring us rows where first name is James. This is a character comparison and it needs single quotes to enclose the value. This is also case sensitive. The following query is not same as the previous query. Note the case difference in James. Okay. And what if I use quotes in a numerical comparison? Within quotes 2500. Nothing will happen. The value will be converted into number implicitly. What if I do not use quotes in the character comparison? It will fail with invalid identifier error. What if I use a number in character comparison? It will fail with invalid number error. And what if I use character in numerical comparison? It will fail with invalid number error. And without quotes, you will get invalid identifier error. Thank you for watching.